Y'all, I got my good buddy Bob stopping out today, and he's going to get Mom hooked up for that new dishwasher she's putting in, and get her a couple of plugs. So let's get after it.
And reset that thing. We'll just try it and see if it didn't already.
Okay. We can make it look so easy, bud.
Well, it's supposed to be, isn't it, Fritz? Be easy.
Not for me. Might be off just a...
It's going to be off quite a bit. It'll be all the way to this end, Fritz.
Uh-oh.
That cold air return's double. Double wheel. We can get it right here.
Mom, what do you think about right here? How heavy it? Let's see. Ain't that something? And you just did that knocking on the wall. You are old school. Is that it?
It's over there. Should be fine. I worked with a guy one time, Fritz. I used to work for John Mortars. I don't know if you know that.
Yeah, I know that. I worked for him for a day.
Did you really?
Yes, I did.
What happened to it? Couldn't handle him, huh?
Oh,
come on now.
I had to tell you about that. I had to tell you. Oh, lady owns that place, don't you?
No, her and Tim Dawson owned it. Two people owned it.
Was that her husband's place or something?
Actually, they were pretty good people. They weren't bad people to work for. Really.
Well, how long ago was it you was over?
I've been
20 years
there
or
for at
something?
least 17 years.
How long you been in business now, Bob? About 17 years? Man, you were dead on, brother.
Yeah, there's a stud right there, buddy.
Man, oh man, you are the man.
Learn to listen for the sounds.
I'm telling you.
Let's see that right here.
Beautiful.
I think I may make a hole big enough to put a plate on it or something so we can get the water out.
And Bob, you cut a perfect square every time.
I was lucky there, buddy. I stood there.
Andy.
I didn't even pack on you.
You're dead eye.
Just got lucky that time. Alright, well, be.
Bob going right up in the wall.
We hope.
There it is, buddy. I hear you, Bob. Are you hung up?
Get it? See, you wouldn't make a very good wire fisher. Your hands are too big. You get fired first day.
I just have to make my holes bigger and get me some goof plates.
There you go.
I didn't oil it,
Yeah.
and it sprung everywhere.
The moisture gets to them.
But that nylon, man, just for giggles, when I bought it, I was up at Home Depot, and I took a bunch of conduit, and put it together in the store.
Yeah.
And I was fishing like a son of a gun.
Well, you done it right there in the store?
Done it right in the store. And they was tripping on me. Had to make sure it worked well.
Yeah. What did they say, sir? What are you doing?
Yeah. I even went and got some wire and started pulling it. Nah, I ain't. Yeah, they were kind of looking at me kind of funny. But I knew it worked, you know. I went around a 90 like it wasn't nothing.
Oh, almost like a spring on the end of it that'll let it go around them bends easier.
Cool.
Yeah.
Is it metal? That
Yeah,
one?
it's metal. Yeah. I don't know how I've never tried one of the fiberglass ones on a long, I mean, some of our pools get 200 foot.
Yeah, see, I'm not doing that.
I'm not sure that fiberglass would go that far.
Right. Well, I'm just going to utilize it for like pulling a thermostat wire or something like that.
I'll tell you something that you probably need to get you is those fiberglass rods.
Yeah, I was going to ask you about those rods,
they're
man.
great. The best place to get them on, a place called ADI out there. You got to have an account though. You could use my account and go out there and get you a set of them.
I've been dealing with Peterson.
Peterson.
Is that
Peterson's got those Greenlee, and I had a set of them.
Yeah, they're no
No,
broke them.
wasn't worth a crap.
Is that right?
Fiberglass comes off of them, gets in your hand.
Oh, no,
eat you alive.
Oh my God, I don't want a part of that.
No. I felt like taking it back to them, but I didn't. I just threw them in the dumpster and went and got me another set.
Well, so you think those would be excellent for that?
That'll be great. We use them all the time. Tell you something else they're good for if you're on commercial work going across drop ceiling, they go right across them.
Absolutely, yeah.
And you can shake them like that, you know.
I gotta get me some of them.
Plus they
Downtown, buddy.
now these G.F.Is, everything they make now is child-proof, where you can't shove something in just one side.
Yeah.
I haven't had any trouble with these, but the ones like I used to get, that brand over there,
Yeah.
people couldn't hardly plug into them, so I had to go to this brand. I made about 100 service calls back on them.
Is that right?
Of it. Yeah. The company kept telling me they were going to fix it.
What are they, Leviathan or?
No, it was Eagle or Cooper's who made it. This is P&S. I haven't had any trouble with these, but they changed the code to where every plug has to be child-proof in the house now.
Is that right?
Yeah, come here and look at it. See the plastic insert in there? A kid can't come up, watch, you can't shove something in there.
Oh, no kidding.
I mean, it's just touching that plastic, it's not going in. A kid can't shove something in there and get electrocuted.
Oh, okay.
You know, it wasn't good enough that when you're a parent, you just go buy them little things you snap in. They took it upon themselves to make sure the whole country was childproof.
So it's all UL listed now.
Yeah, a lot of older people can't push right there because that pipe is back in the wall. We are through.
Yes, sir.
Through. Boy, back in there.
Yeah, hell, it already had all the tool bins and everything in it. Had to get my brother to come out and weld, attach everything. So he welded everything up in there for me.
Oh, you welded it in?
Oh, yeah. Well, I got so sick of it, shear off bolts. I have so much heavy stuff in there.
Well, yeah, that's the best way to do it. I don't know why.
I mean, if I had to take it out, I'd just take a grinding wheel and cut it right out.
I told you, when they put these shells in from these companies,
Yeah.
I had those 350s. We went to take those shells out. Well, they bolted it through to the bottom, put nuts on the bottom.
Yeah.
Well, they rusted so bad.
Yeah.
We had to cut them all off.
Yeah.
So what difference does it make?
Right.
Weld it and cut the weld.
Absolutely. That's it in a nutshell. And then, that weld ain't going nowhere.
Sure ain't. We'll better see if we can find the other end of it, huh, Sarge?
Come on, boy. Can we help Bob? Want you to pull some wire for him.
Watch him, Sarge. Watch him all the way.
They're real good at that.
You want a dishwasher, Bob?
No, don't need one. Fritz is trying to give me more stuff now. He's a good guy.
Hell yeah. That right there is now it's a storage container.
Is it really?
Oh yeah.
I don't know what I'm gonna do after I get the real thing in there.
How you like this hammer, Fritz? Like that hammer?
Well, that's next level, man. That's my Thor right there, buddy. I've had that 20-something years. I started framing with that hammer.
That's a whole lot closer than my truck. Let's see if you recognize it.
Oh yeah. Dude, I left that in the parking lot at AutoZone, and believe it or not, somebody brought it in there, and I was heartbroken.
Frame for
The Gildas.
who?
The Gildas, Danny Gildan.
Oh, okay.
A lot of them do what they can get away with, Bob. Don't care.
Oh, I know.
Somebody snagged your cooler. Bob got us hooked up, got us a outlet there, put us in a new outlet over here. We're getting rid of the garbage disposal. We've got the wire stubbed up back here for Carl when we go to put the new dishwasher in here for Mom. All right, y'all. Thanks for watching. Bye.